What's up guys? Today we're gonna show you how to fold your Revolt bike. We start with the seat, so you unlock it at the base of the seat, then you push it down. This eventually becomes the stand upon which your bike will be in balance when you're traveling around with it. Fold it. Next up, the pedals. Pushing the pedal inwards towards the frame of the bike and pulling up towards you. Then you get them in the straight form. Do it on the other side as well. Next up, the steering. You unlock by pushing this button up, pulling the clip down, and then pushing the steering towards the front wheel. Then one of the final steps is the frame. So you unlock the frame by pushing this button towards the front side of the bike and unclipping the lock. Before you fold, make sure the stand is put in the upwards position. Then you can officially fold your bike until you hear the magnets clip in the back. And there you have it, folded and ready to go.